Hello everyone. Today here I am with super handy tip to open rice bag in just 30 seconds. You can see how easy it is to pull off the string. It's definitely a time saver. This tip is going to work for all bags with chain stitch, like basmati rice, Sona masoori, jasmine rice, etc. Here in USA, most of the rice bags are packaged with chain stitch. Usually it gets very tedious and time consuming to open the bag, as this is not something we do it so often. Here is my super handy hack. This is a chain stitch. Simple thumb rule is to cut at wide end of the loop. That's where loop gets knot. Now flip the bag and pull out the string. The string is going to come off very nicely. This way it's easy to remember which side to cut exactly. Otherwise cutting at left or right side will be confusing, as it varies by brand to brand. Once you know this trick, it's very easy. You can open the bag in just few seconds without any mess. Hope you find my tip useful. See you again. Thanks for watching.